Me how do I do my anatomy functions and wanted me to do another video on it. I'm sure I've got one, but it's been a while, so let's do this again. We go into Google and we Google search it. So right now I'm in the digestive system and I'm working on hemorrhoidectomies. So if I wanted to know what was the function of hemorrhoidectomy or the columns or the anatomy around the sphincter area, I would just Google, change my search from all, of course, when it comes up to images, and find me an image that explains what some of these anatomy parts are with as little verbiage as possible, but still does a great job of explaining what things are and showing me what it looks like. And then I can make some pictures, which I'll show you in the next video. So we're looking at anatomy, and we're book prepping our digestive system, and right now I happen to be working on hemorrhoidectomies, and I'm Google searching some pictures that will describe some of these body parts and help me with my medical coding in this area. This is what I've done last year in the next picture. So this is what I'll transfer into this current yearbook. But first off, let's start off with our clock. We'll need to put that down so that in our medical coding patient charts or certification exam, they may say they're at 2 o'clock or 6 o'clock, which may be the only indication that you get to know whether it's posterior or anterior. So be sure to have your clock written in. That's super helpful, and any other information that you get from your Google searches that can help you coding in this area. But I hope this is helpful. And if you're looking for a copy of my notes, they're on my website at medicalcodingbyjen.com under shop. Thanks, guys. Don't forget, I teach for free 3 nights a week. I hope to see you there.